Hello, welcome to this YouTube channel. Now we are going to see full structure of research document. A research document, or research paper, is a structured academic report that presents the results of a detailed study or investigation into a specific problem or topic. It follows a formal structure to communicate findings clearly, logically, and systematically. Below is a deep explanation of all parts of a standard research document structure, often used in educational, scientific, and academic settings. Brain full structure of a research document, with deep explanation. 1. Title page. This is the first page of the research paper. It includes: title of the research, should be concise, informative, and reflect the key idea of the study. Name of the researcher, institution or school name, supervisor's name, if applicable, date of submission, magnifying glass, why it's important, gives readers a first impression and helps catalog the research. 2. Abstract, 150-300 words, a brief summary of the entire research, including the research problem, the objectives, the methods used, key findings, results, major conclusions and recommendations, magnifying glass, why it's important, helps readers quickly understand the essence of your study without reading the whole document. 3. Acknowledgement, optional, a section where the researcher expresses gratitude to supervisors, institutions, friends, family, anyone who contributed to the study. 4. Table of contents, a list of all sections and subsections of the research with page numbers. Example: Markdown, copy, edit. 1. Introduction, page 1. 2. Literature review, page 5. 3. Methodology, page 10. Magnifying glass, why it's important, helps the reader navigate the document. Book, main body of the research. 5. Chapter 1. Introduction. This chapter introduces the research topic and background. Main components. 1.1 Background of the study, provides context and explains why this topic is important. 1.2 Statement of the problem, defines the issue or gap the research addresses. 1.3 Objectives of the study, general objective, specific objectives, clear, measurable goals. 1.4 Research questions or hypotheses, key questions the research seeks to answer. 1.5 Significance of the study, who will benefit and how. 1.6 Scope, delimitation of the study, what the study includes and excludes. 1.7 Operational definitions, definitions of key terms used in the study. 6. Chapter 2. Review of related literature. This chapter shows what previous researchers have said about your topic. Includes theoretical framework, theories or models guiding the research. Empirical review, summary of past studies, research findings, and gaps. Conceptual framework, optional, a diagram or explanation of how variables are related. Magnifying glass, why it's important, shows you're aware of existing knowledge and positions your study within it. 7. Chapter 3. Research methodology, describes how the study was conducted. Main components. 3.1 Research design, type of study, qualitative, quantitative, mixed. 3.2 Study area or setting, where the study was done. 3.3 Population and sampling techniques, who was studied and how they were chosen. 3.4 Data collection tools, methods, questionnaire, interview, observation, etc. 3.5 Procedures of data collection, how the tools were used to collect data. 3.6 Data analysis techniques, how data was processed, statistical tools, coding, themes. 3.7 Ethical considerations, consent, confidentiality, and research ethics. 8. Chapter 4. Data presentation, analysis, and interpretation, shows what the data says. Includes presentation of results, tables, graphs, charts. Analysis of findings, using statistics or thematic analysis. Interpretation of what results mean in relation to your objectives. Magnifying glass, why it's important, it's the core part of showing what you discovered. 9. Chapter 5. Summary, conclusions, and recommendations. 5.1 Summary of findings, recap major results, linked to objectives. 5.2 Conclusions. What the findings mean, drawn from the analysis. 5.3 Recommendations. Actions for teachers, policymakers, communities, etc. Also include suggestions for future research. Books. Back matter of the research. 10. References, bibliography. List of all sources used, following a citation style, APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. Magnifying glass. Why it's important, gives credit and shows academic honesty. 11. Appendices. Additional materials such as copies of questionnaires or interview guides. Tables too large to include in the main body. Raw data. Consent forms. Repeat button. Summary table of research document structure. Section. Purpose. Title page introduces the research document. Abstract summarizes the research briefly. Acknowledgement. Gratitude to contributors. Table of contents. Navigation aid. Chapter 1. Introduction explains what and why. Chapter 2. Literature review. What others found. Chapter 3. Methodology. How you did it. Chapter 4. Data analysis. What you found. Chapter 5. Conclusion. What it means. Next steps. References. Cites your sources. Appendices. Extra supporting info. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more academic tips.